Hello everybody and welcome to MomDas Life Handmade. I love to do DIY, decor, sew, recipe, home, travel and all in a budget. And today I am participating in a challenge called Christmas Present Wrapping Challenge being hosted by Diane and Jani from Deco Easy and Danielle from Danielle's Decor. And today I'm bringing in front of you two different styles of wrapping a Christmas present using natural elements and in neutral colors. So stay along and enjoy, and do give it a thumbs up if you like the video, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.